Before you consider buying Dropboard, there are a few important things you need to know to make sure it's the right choice for your business. This video will walk you through 7 essential factors you should keep in mind. And trust me, by the end, you'll know whether this software is the best fit for your needs. First off, Dropboard is a collaborative task management tool that helps you manage projects, track progress, and communicate with teams all in one place. While it's a solid choice, it's important to understand how it stacks up against the competition. Compared to other project management software like Monday.com or Asana, Dropboard shines with its simplicity and focus on team collaboration. The interface is sleek, but it's not overloaded with features you might never use, making it ideal for teams that value efficiency without too much complexity. Next thing to consider is the pricing. Dropboard offers a flexible pricing model that can suit different business sizes, from small startups to larger organizations. However, it's crucial to compare the pricing with other tools in the market. While it's competitive, tools like ClickUp or Trello might offer more robust free plans or features at a similar price point. So, if you're on a tight budget, check out those alternatives to see if the features justify the price for your specific needs. The third thing you need to know is the user experience. Dropboard has a very intuitive and clean interface. If you've used other task management tools like Notion or Jira, you'll find Dropboard refreshingly straightforward. There's little to no learning curve, which is a huge plus for businesses that need to get up and running quickly. Whether you're organizing simple tasks or larger projects, Dropboard makes it easy to drag and drop items, assign responsibilities, and track progress, without getting lost in complex settings. The fourth thing is integrations. Dropboard supports integrations with a number of popular tools, like Google Workspace, Slack, and Zapier. However, it doesn't have the same extensive integration library as some competitors, like Asana or Monday.com. So, before jumping in, make sure Dropboard integrates with the tools you're already using. If you rely heavily on certain software for your workflow, that could be a deal breaker. The fifth thing you'll want to know is the mobile app. If you're constantly on the go, you'll appreciate that Dropboard has a mobile app that allows you to manage tasks and projects from anywhere. While not as feature-rich as the desktop version, it still lets you track projects, communicate with teams, and adjust deadlines. If you're used to having full functionality on mobile, you might find some limitations here compared to other tools like Trello or ClickUp, which provide a more robust mobile experience. The sixth thing to consider is team collaboration. Dropboard stands out in this area. If you're a team leader or manager, you'll love the ability to leave comments on tasks, set deadlines, and assign responsibilities to team members with ease. Dropboard's communication features make it a great choice for small to medium teams looking for smooth collaboration. However, if you have a large team, you might want to see if the app's communication features meet all your needs compared to more specialized tools like Basecamp. The seventh thing to note is the overall value for money. While Dropboard isn't the cheapest option, it offers great value for businesses looking for a straightforward tool without unnecessary features that drive up the price. Unlike more expensive tools that pile on premium features you might not need, Dropboard keeps things simple and effective. If you're focused on just getting your team to stay organized and meet deadlines, it's a solid choice. But if you need complex reporting or resource management features, it might not be the best fit for you. So after all that, should you buy Dropboard? If you're looking for a simple, cost-effective task management tool that prioritizes ease of use and team collaboration, Dropboard could be an excellent fit. But make sure you consider the integrations, mobile experience, and features that matter most to your business. If you want to try out Dropboard yourself, click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial and access exclusive benefits. Don't miss out. Give it a go and see if it's the perfect tool for you.